I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Square app is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the steps. Step 1. Open the Square app. Launch the Square app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open a menu, then select Settings. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Payment Methods. This will take you to the section where you can add or edit your credit cards. Step 4. Add a new card. Tap on Add Credit Card and enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as a small mistake can prevent the card from being added. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering the card information, tap Save to finalize adding the card to your account. You should see a confirmation message if it was successful. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble adding your credit card to the Square app. If you encounter any issues, double check the card details for accuracy. Happy transacting!